Have you ever wondered what electric current is, or perhaps what makes your night lamp glow or your phone charge? Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind these everyday phenomena. First, let's tackle the concept of an electron. Picture a tiny particle so small that it's invisible to the naked eye. This particle is a fundamental building block of matter, present in the atoms that make up everything around us. This minuscule particle is the electron, and it possesses a property we call charge. Now, what exactly is charge? Well, think of it like a tag that electrons carry around. This tag can be either positive or negative. In the case of electrons, they carry a negative charge. It's this charge that allows electrons to interact with each other and with other charged particles. And it's this interaction that forms the basis of electricity. So, now that we've got a handle on electrons and charge, let's move on to the star of the show: electric current. Electric current is essentially the flow of electric charge. Imagine a bustling highway filled with cars zooming past. Now replace those cars with electrons and voila, you have electric current. It's the constant movement of electrons, driven by their charge, that powers your devices and appliances. But how intense is this flow of electrons, you might ask? That's where the concept of the intensity of electric current comes in. Think of it as the speed of the cars on our imaginary highway. The faster the electrons move, the higher the intensity of the current. This intensity can be calculated using a simple formula. Current equals voltage divided by resistance, often denoted as C equals V over R. Voltage is the driving force that pushes the electrons along, while resistance is anything that might slow them down. The unit used to measure this current is called the Ampere, which is equal to 1 coulomb per second. If we stick with our highway analogy, an ampere would be like measuring the number of cars passing a certain point every second. To measure this current in a real-world setting, we use a tool called an ammeter. This handy device allows us to see just how fast our electrons are moving in any given circuit. In summary, electric current is the flow of electric charge carried by electrons. The intensity of this current is determined by the voltage pushing the electrons along and any resistance they might encounter. And we measure this current in ampere using an ammeter. So, next time you switch on a light or charge your phone, remember the bustling highway of electrons that's making it all possible. It's the continuous flow of these tiny particles that powers our world.